Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to block someone on Instagram. If another user is harassing, annoying, threatening, or making you feel unsafe on Instagram, you can block them to prevent interaction and further contact. Here are the steps to block a user on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your Android device and navigate to the profile of the person you wish to block. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of their profile. Select Block from the menu. Instagram will prompt you to confirm blocking this user. Tap Block again to prevent them from following you, seeing your posts, messaging, or otherwise contacting you on Instagram. No notifications regarding blocked users will be sent. They will be unaware of being blocked until attempting to access your profile or posts again. At any time, you can unblock a user from contacting you on Instagram by going to your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select Settings. Choose Privacy, then Blocked Accounts. Find the user you want to unblock and tap Unblock. Take time to review their profile and post first before unblocking to ensure the issue has been fully resolved. Message or post to check if they are able to interact with you normally again before unblocking completely. Your safety is the priority. In summary, if you have someone harassing, threatening, or making you feel unsafe on Instagram, block them immediately. Follow the steps in this video to quickly, easily, and effectively prevent all contact and interaction. Report users violating Instagram's community guidelines or terms of service to have content removed and accounts disciplined as needed. Do not hesitate contacting Instagram support for additional help, or if the problem continues after taking action yourself. Your mental health, well-being, and security should be the top concern. Block, report, and get help from professionals without delay if there are users threatening you or making you feel threatened on Instagram. Remember, you deserve to feel safe. Hello, everyone.